I am at Creative Mobile Interiors with Aaron Lane, who is my technical service rep who worked on installing the skylight in the Airstream. So let me let you say hi and talk about Creative Mobile Interiors. I don't think people know that it's owned by Airstream.
Yeah. So so CMI started in 1999. We were a family-owned company until about 3 years ago. Custom trailers, buses, vans, old, new, full builds, retrofits, restorations. I mean, we pretty much service. We pretty much do anything on wheels. But yeah, about 3 years ago, Airstream purchased us. We've kind of done some small projects for them over the years. Obviously, they're an Ohio company. They're about an hour and 15 from us, and done a few projects. Have kind of flirted with us over the years, and of course, they've never been able to really fulfill true custom offerings. Right. So they purchased us so that they don't have to say no to custom stuff anymore. So,
well, that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
So when I first came here, Michael showed me two Airstreams that are huge jobs in the shop, and you're developing custom Airstreams for tailgating and video games. I was blown away. That was so amazing. I just couldn't believe an Airstream could look so cool.
Yeah, we have kind of started slow rolling some of our custom Airstream projects. We've done several demo units. So we've done a mobile cocktail bar. We're doing a tailgater unit that we're finishing now that'll kind of be to take across the country, test the waters, and kind of see who may be interested in terms of businesses and hospitality. And we did a wellness vehicle for Airstream, and then of course we're doing their one-offs too. So we've got a I can't say who, but we've got a pretty big name rapper. Who's a rapper and actor who's Airstream we're finishing, and it's over the top. Yeah,
those are the ones I saw. Those are amazing.
It's a lot of fun, and we did 20 special edition sprinters for them as well. So we're also in the motorized world.
Well, let me tell you what I liked about Creative Mobile Interiors is I had a highly unusual request to put a skylight where one was not engineered to go, one was not designed to go, and Airstream Factory Service tried it, putting in the standard one, it wouldn't fit, and we came back, thought, wow, if we cut down the rectangular one, there is a way that it would fit. But more than that, it became a complex job because not only is the skylight interior housing needed to be customized, but the outside of the skylight had to be created from scratch and customized as well. And so what Creative Mobile Interiors did is they took end-to-end ownership of the job. You looked at what the customer need was, and then you worked with Maxim Skylights to not only cut down the interior ring, but have a custom skylight made for the outside. And I didn't have to do that at all. I thought I would have to go get the Maxim Skylight, then hope that it fit, but you did all the measurements, you did all the project management, and from end to end, it was just a pleasure to work with your organization. And so I'm excited to think of some other crazy idea that I want for my Airstream, because I know that you can do it. And I know that your imagination is the only limit to how you can customize an Airstream. My Airstream is my pride and joy. I've customized it with such many things I'm really happy with, like the solid surface countertops, but this is another major customization that I'm just truly happy with. Thank you so much for your help and service, and I hope to come back with another exciting project.
Sounds great.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Creative Mobile Interiors, check out the new skylight in the front. That very front skylight, as you can see, used to be a vent fan, and it's now a glass skylight from Maxim Skylights, and it's been custom installed into the Airstream. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Very clean install. They did a water test, no leaks. Very happy for the new skylight in the bedroom of the Airstream. Check out my amazing new view from the bedroom. With the new skylight, I have windows on the left, a porthole window on the lower left, a regular window, a Vista View window, skylight, and to the right, another Vista View window and a large escape window. And so this is really fulfilling the vision I had more than a year ago when I was at the same park. I was laying in bed thinking, Wow, wouldn't it be nice if I could lay in bed like this and actually look at the sky and the stars? And that's when I thought, hey, can I put a skylight in the bedroom area thanks to Airstream, thanks to Creative Custom Interiors, who made all the magic happen, installed all the extra windows, and then created, in the end, my dream Airstream. Thank you very much, Airstream. And it is so much fun to have a crazy goal like a skylight, which never has been done before, and seeing it actually come true. Made it to Hocking Hills State Park. Look how beautiful this is. Even more green than Brown County State Park. And yes, I made a last minute change. I was going to Deer Creek State Park, and I thought, hey, Hocking Hills is only an hour away, and I would much rather be going to Hocking Hills instead of Deer Creek State Park, so that's why I'm here. So a special treat. Hocking Hills has tons of scenery and waterfalls and hiking and adventures. So looking forward to a much more fun weekend than I had planned. Check out the lodge at Hocking Hills State Park, the most magnificent, most luxurious lodge of any state park I have ever been to. There's a huge swimming center inside and restaurant and hotel. It is chef's kiss. This is the inside lobby of the lodge at Hocking Hills. This is the back patio looking off of the deck of the lodge at Hocking Hills. There's a swimming pool, it's been empty, and also the hot tub and the hotel rooms. Great place for a state park. There's Beau checking out the patio, seeing what's going on, thinking he needs to go back inside to that super nice lodge inside Hocking Hills State Park. Just check out the indoor pool and aquatic center and hot tub at Hocking Hills State Park. Okay, this is the campsite at Hocking Hills State Park, site number 113. Great spot, back in the trees. Starlink has no trouble getting access to internet. Welcome to Hocking Hills State Park. Beau has an exciting day ahead, looking at waterfalls and all the amazing scenery. We are happy to be here. Okay, here we are going down the trail at Hocking Hills State Park. It is so beautiful and it's so fun to be here just as the rain has stopped. Beau's having a great time. He wishes that he could be catching the drone. There's starting with the bridge. And now we're going over some falls that look just amazing. Going off here to the right on the one-way trail. These canyons are so beautiful. It doesn't even seem like anything this beautiful could be so natural. And look at that. There is a waterfall that is so amazing to look at. I'll let the drone go take a look at it and see what it looks like. Okay, and here we have the first waterfall at Hocking Hills State Park. It's amazing to see how beautiful it is and how much Beau wants to grab the drone. And Beau's going to do everything he can to try to grab the drone. He grabbed the drone literally out of my hands and would not give it up. His teeth were coming down. I thought he was going to ruin it, but thankfully I was able to get it out. But look at these falls and how beautiful they are. They are just amazing. Everybody crossing the cement bridge at Hocking Hills State Park Trail, and the architecture is just amazing and beautiful.
Map on the dash, tiny co-pilot snoring. Silver ship shines, new day, new orbit. Mountains in view, river roads, red sunsets. Four little paws, ready for the next quest. Let's go! Starship adventures with Beau. Every road a galaxy.
Okay, we're going to see if the drone can follow us through the cave. There we go, come on. Come on, drone. Oh, it's lost.
Is that yours?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
I'll get it.
Where
Sorry.
did that go? Oh, it just goes across.
I want to see if it would go through the cave. I'll give it one more chance.
You ready?
Yeah, it won't do it because of the light.
Map on the dash, tiny co-pilot snoring. Silver ship shines, new day, new orbit. Mountains in view, river roads, red sunsets. Four little paws, ready for the next quest. Let's go! Starship adventures with Beau. Every road a galaxy glow. From the woods to the wild plateau, we're flying low in our rolling home. Starship adventures with Beau. Hit play, let the story unfold. Tale of 1,000 miles to go. Starship adventures with Beau. Starship adventures with Beau. Every road a galaxy glow. From the woods to the wild plateau, we're flying low in our rolling home. Starship adventures with Beau. Hit play, let the story unfold. Tale of 1,000 miles to go. Starship adventures with Beau. Map on the dash, tiny co-pilot snoring. Silver ship shines, new day, new orbit.
This is Ash Falls. Falling from a cliff, Ash Cave is a recessive cave, and this is so spectacular. I'm so glad that I came here with Beau.
autopilot snoring. Silver ship shines, new day, new orbit. Mountains in view, river roads, red sunsets. Four little paws, ready for the next quest. Let's go! Starship adventures with Beau. Every road a galaxy glow. From the woods to the wild plateau. We're flying low in our rolling home. Starship adventures with Beau. Hit play, let the story unfold. Tale of 1,000 miles to go. Starship
This has been an amazing weekend. First, I get my skylight, and then I get to go to what is now my favorite state park, Hocking Hills State Park. I love this park, and I can't wait to come back again. This has been so much fun hiking with Beau. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for next week. Going to Charlestown State Park in Indiana. Charlestown is an abandoned amusement park. Some say haunted, but we'll check it out. Looking forward to seeing you next week. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments. I love you so much. Looking forward to another adventure with Beau next weekend.